Car repair near me. How to quickly find a car repair near me. Hello friends, subscribers, and hello to everyone who watches my videos. Sometimes you might find yourself far from home in an unfamiliar place and suddenly your car breaks down. You urgently need a car repair shop and start wondering, how can I quickly find car repair near me? Don't worry, it's actually very simple. These days, we all carry a mobile phone in our pocket. Take it out and check if your location services, GPS, are turned on. If not, enable it. Next, open the Google Maps app. In the search bar, type the keyword car repair. In just a few seconds, Google Maps will show you all nearby auto repair shops. Here's your current location. And all these icons represent the available repair services nearby. You can tap on any of these locations to view details about that specific auto repair shop. Check the pictures or the listed services to see if they match the type of help you need. Often, there's even a phone number button. You can call the shop, describe the issue, and ask if they can help in your situation. In many cases, you can even arrange for towing. Just send them your location and they'll take care of getting a tow truck to you. If your car is still drivable, simply set the route to the chosen repair shop and follow the directions right on the map. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share the video, and give it a like. Thanks for watching.